In order to connect your Apple Airpods Gen 2 to your Windows 11 laptop or desktop, you'll first need to make sure they're both in the case itself, make sure they're not connected to another device, and at the back of the case, there is this physical button. That button right here, you are going to hold it down and keep holding it down until it blinks in a white blinking light at least 5 times. So wait for it to blink 5 times. And once you're done, let it go. Keep the case lid open. Now on your Windows 11 desktop or laptop, go to the startup menu and go to where it says settings. Click on that one time. And as you're in the main settings, you'll go over to the left side where it says Bluetooth and device. As you're there, you'll see the Bluetooth switch here, this one right there, and go over to the right and turn it on. Then you'll see where it says add device. Click on that one time. Then you'll see this here, click on the Bluetooth one. And it's going to start searching for nearby devices. At first, it'll show up as headphones and wait for it to rename itself as AirPods. Then you'll click on it one time. As you do that, it'll say connecting, and you'll see that it's connected. The green light will show up on your AirPods, and you are connected. Press done when you're finished, and you'll go over to where it says system. Then click on sound. And in the output section, you'll make sure headphones is AirPods, and input section would be the mic where it says headset, switch it to AirPods, like inside.